This is Junebug's 12th day, and there's this mountain back here with a flag on it, and today's mission is to get up that mountain. That's where we're going. There's got to be a way up there. There's no other snowmobile tracks because nobody can hang with the Gemini. This is Junebug on day 12. Enjoy the show. What the heck is this doing in my pocket? A toothbrush. Where did that even come from? Alright, so the flag is up there and I'm having a lot of trouble getting to it. Really hard to get off of the lake and onto like the side of these hills. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get to that flag. There's like nowhere to go. Go to another mountain. break. We didn't make it to the Canadian flag mountain, but right now I'm sitting on what we call Heart Mountain. My dad just named it Heart Mountain this winter, and the reason behind the name is in high school I wrote "I heart you" in the snow, came up here, took a picture of it and sent it to my girlfriend, and then later he followed my tracks because he thought it would be a nice day for a hike. He came up here and he said, "Aw, ever nice," because he thought that I left him a message that said "I heart you" or something like that. But that's why we're calling it Heart Mountain, because I wrote "I heart you" in the middle of the bay. Yeah, day 12 has been awesome so far. This thing is like tons of fun now, and hope you enjoyed hanging out and watching the video. But it's kind of way too cold out to be hands out of gloves, and all my gear is getting, like, the batteries are dying, and I'm gonna go home. So I have a couple more things that are gonna happen for the next video, I think. A couple new mods for Junebug, which are probably gonna upset a lot of people that like the stock looking sled. So sorry if you're one of those guys, but yeah, I'm really cold, so I'm gonna shut it down. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up or subscribe, whatever, but I gotta get out of here.